Yo, I'm
Oh yeah, you turned my auto lights off. I was like, what the hell?
I'm at this little shady ass gas station in Detroit. They say everybody got a gun in Detroit. You gotta have you a gun, pistol with you at all time. And right now I'm at this gas station. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we had to stop and get some gas. They say you gotta have a pistol everywhere you go when you're in Detroit. My homie said, man, don't stop and get no gas, don't stop and get no food, and drive through, nothing late at night in Detroit. Well, we just stopped to get some gas, and the shady ass little gas station is a BP. So, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? You motherfuckers, you said Barry and scared. Motherfucker, I don't want to lose my life over no motherfucking gas. But nah, man, just left the studio. Night, cause I'm starving. What's up with no fronts, man? But man, we ain't got no hey. Now let me play devil's advocate. What's up, Junior? Yeah, I'm chilling at this gas station just in case somebody try to jack us. We gonna catch it on Instagram Live so y'all can ID them motherfuckers. And yes, it's okay to talk to the police if you're not in the street game, because I'm not a street nigga, I'm a civilian. I just grew up in the streets, but I'm a civilian. So if the police try to kill my mama, I will go to the police. I'm not like Cameron. If somebody kill my mama, I will testify against them. Because I'm a civilian. But I think my I might have to get off, stop this live. I can't keep it going for too long. But y'all already know I'm about to hit up the Lodge Cafe for my late night eating. So we made it out the gas station alive, y'all. So we rolling now, we mobile. So I don't need y'all no more. I was trying for y'all. I wanted y'all to be some witnesses, just in case something happened. So yeah, man. I'm about to go on and get off this Instagram Live so I can prepare myself for this feast that I'm about to eat, because I'm still on California time, so it's only 8 o'clock to me. But make sure you guys click the link in my bio, because I'm going on tour. I'm touring the whole United States, and I would love to meet every last one of y'all. I would love to perform for you guys. My phone's gonna die soon. Yeah, I don't need to worry about who that is, man. But I know I just left the studio, and now I'm about to get some of that good, some of that fine Detroit cuisine. I think you guys call it Coney Island. I think you guys call it Checkers. Yo, but somebody took me to this great this great Detroit pizza place. It was the best. Yo, he was just like, yo, this is the best pizza place. And I think you guys call it Little Caesars. Detroit is known for Little Caesars pizza. Yo, no, but I just hung out with my family all day today. I got a lot of family in Detroit, my mom's side. So shout out to my cousins, Kanisha, Tony, we call him Cosmo, Tessa. What's up, Tessa? Why you didn't come by lunch today, Tessa? But shout out my cousin Kanisha, took me to J. Alexander, ate good. But all right, I'm up out of here, y'all. Yee!